Create a copy of Xlsx file having all formulas within removed. Can't copy Xlsx and xlsm files with xlrd as it says formatting info equals true not yet implemented and openpyxl runs out of memory when doing the following.
If you just want to copy the file, then just do that using shuttle. There are still several things that openpyxl doesn't support, such as images and charts that will be lost. And, as you're seeing, memory is an issue. Each cell uses about 45 kilobits of memory. The openpyxl documentation is pretty clear about the different options used when opening workbooks. Data_only read the results of any formulae and ignore the formulae. See this URL if you want to copy worksheets. Otherwise you can use two workbooks, one in read-only mode and the other in write-only mode. But if you want to copy, this is best done in the file system. If you only want to copy the values from one workbook to another, then you can combine read-only and write-only modes to reduce the memory footprint. The following pseudocode should give you a basis.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.